Oh, yes. Oh, that's awesome. These are original. I'll be honest, with the call buttons and with the new call buttons and the new chimes, I thought these were going to be modded. I was worried. But no, they're original. This must be some sort of co-working space. Oh, this is awesome. They're DC. You can hear the DC transformers. That sounds like a more original chime. However, that's probably the call for the freight. I'm gonna send this down. I want to film a different one. Also, look, this has a different key switch. This has the newer style Montgomery key switch. Looks like it says it takes the AO2. However, these other ones have regular A-series key switches. Whoa. Wow. This is awesome. I'm very happy these are still original. Whoa. Listen to these things go. Woo! This is awesome. They're all open. These are busy. These are awesome. Oh, these are so fun. You know what? We're gonna do one more ride down and up. Look at these fixtures. Wow. No one's waiting. We're gonna go up. Hold on, well, we have the light from the hall. Okay. Here we go. Oh, these are fun. They're geared, but they still pull. Like they got some acceleration to them. These are 350 for sure. Typical geared speed, typical speed for an office building of this height. God, I love the sound of those DC transformers. That sounds awesome. I'm just gonna send this so we can hear it. I kind of just want to get some sound of these going from the top floor. You can't really hear it. Well, anyway, that'll be it for these.